In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Gaseous on your TrueNAS server. Gaseous essentially allows you to store and play your legally obtained games from really anywhere in the world using just your browser. Within your server, we're going to create 3 new data sets. Now, I already have Gaseous installed, but we're going to pretend that this is not here, and we're going to create a new data set. I will call this one Gaseous 2, and then within Gaseous 2, I will create another data set called Database. And then one more called Configs. Next, within the Apps section, we'll go to Discover and we'll search Gaseous and then click Install. I'm going to name this Gaseous Server 2. You can name it whatever you like, as well as we're going to enter in the database and root database password. Now for this Twitch section, you're going to go to this website listed below in the comments of this video called Twitch Developers. Once an account is created, we'll click Register Your Application. Feel free to give this whichever name you like. Under OAuth redirect, we'll use localhost. And for category, we'll select application integration and leave client type as confidential. And we'll hit create where you might get an error as seen. To fix this error, click your account logo and navigate to the security tab. And then follow the steps to enable two-factor authentication. Once two-factor authentication is on, we'll now hit create. Looks like it was successful, so we'll go to manage. And listed below should be 2 new fields, client ID and client secret, which are needed for when we go back to TrueNAS. And make sure to click new secret as well, as this will be needed. Back within TrueNAS, we will paste in the client ID and client secret we just generated from that Twitch site. You can keep the default port number, however, I'll be changing mine since I'm already using this port. Now we'll link our database location to the one we created in the start of the video, which was called database. Same will go for configs, and the files location, we select configs dataset we previously made. Afterwards, every other setting will be default, so we can click install. Now, if you get an error at any point during that install, I would suggest going back to datasets and editing permissions. I'm going to use this test dataset I made as an example, but you would use the original Gaseous dataset you made. We'll click Edit, then ensure all items are checked under Access Mode. Then we'll select Set SCL and select Open. And then select these 2 check marks to push these configs to the sub-datasets. If installed correctly, Gaseous should be listed as running, and we can now click into the Web UI button. This will open up your browser, where we will set the login credentials and create an account. After your account is created, we should be able to see a bare bones Gaseous page. Here you can upload your legally obtained games and store them and emulate. Just to give you guys a sneak peek of what Gaseous could look like, here's an example of Gaseous with some games installed. You can see when you click into a game, it will give you a nice descriptive layout and it'll give you some trailers and stuff. And if you legally own the game, you can also play it by clicking the launch button. I hope this video helped, and thank you guys for watching.